Hey y'all, welcome to GM Gourmet. It's getting to be carnival season, so we are going to make some milk punch. And we're going to start with half and half. This is going to be our first quart. There's a lot of dairy in this recipe. Here's our second quart. It is a big recipe though. Third quart. Make this for a party, fills up an entire punch bowl. Fourth quart. I really find that half and half gives a richer, creamier texture than you get with milk. Fifth quart. Sixth and final quart. All right, so the next thing that we're going to add, we're going to grab that handle, that 1.75 liter bottle of brandy. You're going to pour that entire thing in, so you're going to need to pull out that little flow restrictor. Alternately, you could go with bourbon instead of brandy, or even a mixture of the two. So keep pouring the entire bottle. After you get all that brandy in there, we're going to go with confectioner sugar. You can use around 4 cups. That's one of those boxes to maybe 1 1/3 of those boxes, depending on how sweet you like it. Dump all that in, stir it to mix it in. The confectioner sugar also really adds a nice smoothness to the texture. The next thing you're going to add is Ronald Reginald's Melipone Mexican Vanilla. Melipone Mexican Vanilla, Ronald Reginald's. The Mexican vanilla, the Melipone, perfect thing for this. Not something fancier, not pure vanilla extract. This is the right thing for this recipe. You're going to add 2/3 of a cup. 1/3. 2/3. Now stir that all in, get it mixed in. And once it's stirred well, then you can put the lid on it. And get it to chill. I'm going to put mine in my deep freeze. I'm going to leave it there for at least 3 hours. 4 or 5 more overnight's good. You want it to start crystallizing ice crystals, but not frozen. Look at that. That's beautiful there. So go ahead, hit like, hit subscribe, hit that little bell for notifications, do the internet video thing, get in the comments. Thank you all for watching. Go make some milk punch and enjoy it. Bye, all.